Welcome to this lesson on linear equations and inequalities in one variable. Let's get started. In this video, you will learn what a linear equation in one variable is, how to solve them step by step, what linear inequalities are, the key rules for solving them, and we will work through clear examples together. A linear equation in one variable is an equation that involves only one variable, and the highest power of that variable is 1. The standard form of a linear equation in one variable is ax plus b equals 0, where a and b are real numbers, and a is not equal to 0. Here are some examples of linear equations in one variable. 2x plus 5 equals 11. 3x minus 7 equals 8. X over 2 plus 4 equals 9. And 5 minus 4x equals 13. To solve a linear equation, follow these steps. First, simplify both sides. Second, move all variable terms to one side. Third, move constants to the other side. Fourth, divide by the coefficient of x. Finally, always check your answer by substituting back. Let's solve an example. Solve the equation 2x minus 5 equals 9. Add 5 to both sides to get 2x equals 14. Then divide both sides by 2. We find that x equals 7. To verify, substitute x equals 7 back into the original equation. 2 times 7 is 14. Minus 5 is 9. It checks out perfectly. Now let's look at linear inequalities. A linear inequality in one variable can be written in the form ax plus b is less than 0, or with other inequality signs like less than or equal, greater than, or greater than or equal. Here is the most important rule. When you multiply or divide both sides of an inequality by a negative number, you must reverse the inequality sign. For example, if negative 2x is greater than 6, then x is less than negative 3. Let's solve negative 3x plus 6 is less than or equal to 15. Subtract 6 from both sides. Negative 3x is less than or equal to 9. Now divide by negative 3 and reverse the sign. So x is greater than or equal to negative 3. To summarize, a linear equation is of the form ax plus b equals 0. Solve by isolating the variable. For inequalities, use the same steps, but remember to reverse the inequality sign when multiplying or dividing by a negative number. Thank you for watching. Practice these problems, and you will master linear equations and inequalities. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more math lessons. See you in the next video.